Welcome to Ohkids Game, guys. Today we're gonna do a unboxing of Elsa Frozen. Okay, Queen Elsa. Alright. Brought to you by Play-Doh. Okay, Queen Elsa is a fictional character who appears in Walt Disney. Okay, he is one of the Disney princess. Okay, he's a voice primarily Broadway actress and singer Dina Menzel. Okay, it's created by director Chris Buck. Elsa is loosely based on title character of the Snow Queen, a Danish fairy tale by Hans Christian Andersen. It is basically a Disney film adaptation. He is introduced as a princess. Okay, so for this Play-Doh, there's total of 6 characters. Okay, uh, there are 5 Disney princess and 1 Elsa Frozen. Okay, so boys and girls. Okay, so we're gonna open this box. So there's a need to open this scotch tape, yeah, on the right side, on the left side. By the way, thank you guys for subscribing to my channel. I will do more unboxing of Play-Doh toys in the next episode. Alright, the next video I will open. How about you please comment what is your Disney character that you like. Alright, yeah. Okay, now I open up this box. Okay, so I pull out this yeah, it's a white color, I believe, but it look nice. Okay, there's a lot of sparkle. Alright, okay, then the next one, yeah, there's a sparkle. It's purple in color. Okay, purple in color. Okay, the next one is Elsa Frozen. Okay, Queen Elsa. Okay, Queen Elsa, hi. Queen Elsa, how are you? Okay, yeah, that's the picture. Disney Frozen. Oh, I'm sorry, Elsa. So, okay, you can take this thing out. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. That's one of it is a star. Okay, so it's nice. Okay, this is the white color Play-Doh. Okay, with sparkle. Alright, this Play-Doh is very nice. Okay, so okay, I remove this Play-Doh white one. So I'm gonna test this Play-Doh. Okay, okay, that's there will be a lots of video coming up. Alright, so please subscribe to my channel, Ohkids Games. It has been like 2 months since I do lots of videos. Okay, nursery rhymes. Okay, like London Bridge is falling down, falling down. So there's lots of storytelling. Okay, Little Red Riding Hood. Okay, The Ugly Duckling. Okay, there's lots of nursery rhymes. It's quite a good channel to subscribe and watch these videos. Alright, guys. Okay, actually I was just like starting on this Play-Doh. So it's a good buy. Okay, so this Elsa Frozen is quite cute, right? So okay guys, please subscribe to my channel and comment below and tell me which Disney character do you like. Mickey Mouse, Donald Duck. Yeah, I saw this Mickey Mouse Play-Doh at this Kiddy Palace recently. So it's quite cute, but then I see this cute princess, so I buy. Okay, so the next video I will do on which character do you want. Okay, please let me know and comment below guys. Alright, okay, so the next one we will try and figure out how am I supposed to use to do the dress for Elsa Frozen, this beautiful Elsa Frozen. Okay, so do you still remember let it go, let it go? Yeah, that voice. Yeah, Menzel was widely praised for her vocal performance. Okay, because of the songs that she sing. Okay, Idina Menzel. Okay, you can check her out. Her songs. Okay, beautiful voice. Okay, by Menzel. Okay, so there's lots of Disney characters. Okay, the Snow Queen character, which is Elsa, sorry. It's neutral but cold-hearted in the original fairy tale and villain in numerous adaptations of characters. Okay, so she also can become a villain at the same time. Okay, proved difficult to adapt to film due to her transparent depiction. Okay, several films executives includes the Walt Disney also attempted to build on the character, and in number of scheduled films adaptations were shelved and they could not work out the character. Buck and his co-director, who is Jennifer Lee, were ultimately able to solve the dilemma, okay, by depicting Elsa and Anna as sisters. Alright, so I think I will find Anna. Alright, I do not know whether they sell this Anna, the Play-Doh. Okay, but I will try to find for you guys. Okay, for you to show. Okay, so currently I'm trying to mold the Play-Doh. Actually, it's a new Play-Doh, so it takes time for the Play-Doh to be seasoned. Yeah, okay, so I will try my best to mold it as slow as possible. Okay, so please watch my next video. Okay, there will be 4 more videos on Disney characters. Okay, the 5 total, I have 5 Disney characters to show you guys. I will do the unboxing myself. Okay, by Ohkids Game, guys. Okay, so if you like my video, please subscribe and let your friends know. Okay, so by subscribing to my channel, I will gain more fans. Okay, and I will do more videos for you guys free of charge. Okay. uh, just subscribe and watch my channel. So yeah. mm, so I will mold it slowly. Okay, so I will do more videos on other Disney characters. Okay, Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, okay, Donald Duck, and also I promise you guys Little Pony, My Little Pony, okay, those cute ponies, okay, and also if I have enough time, I will do Care Bears, alright. So do you guys like Care Bears? Okay, and also Disney cars, okay. Yeah, for the boys, Disney car is the best, alright. So so okay, I will try and move slowly as possible. Okay, so by the way, today is 7th of October, alright, 7th of October 2015. I do this late at night, alright, for you guys to watch tomorrow morning. Okay, so doing this for Elsa also. Elsa is not in bed now. Okay, so the sparkle, the Play-Doh itself is mixed together with this sparkle. It's very nice. Okay, super nice. Alright, so yeah, I'm doing it as slowly as possible. Okay, okay, now I'm almost done here. Okay, it has been about like I do this molding for like half an hour, right, or more than that, maybe 45 minutes. Okay, I will try to make it as perfect as possible for you guys to see. Alright, so okay, almost done here. Okay, I will do. Okay, it's done here. Right, so it's quite nice. Can see all those sparkle by Elsa Frozen. Okay, so the white one, I'll do the star. Okay, you see there's four shapes that you can put. Okay, so I think I'm gonna do the star. Okay, it's like as though that Elsa Frozen is going for modeling contest, right? Modeling contest, so she won the star. Okay, I'm gonna pull this thing out. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, the star is on the right side. Okay, okay, yeah, that's it. Okay, oops, sorry, put here, and voila, that's the star, right? Okay, let me show you guys. Star, isn't it cute, right? Elsa won number one modeling contest. Okay, so see you guys, take care, have fun. I will do next video tomorrow. Okay, good night, bye bye.